Okay guys, this is a short little video on the Civivi Praxis Flipper knife. This is a lock knife. It has a 3.75-inch black stone washed blade with a micarta handle, and it's a reversible clip, that is, and it's great for everyday carry. Pretty nice little flipper thing here. Very smooth. The only bad thing is you can't really close this too well. Anyway, the knife has a nice handle here, edged. It's not slippery or anything. Has a deep pocket clip, and you can actually reverse it, change its position. Very nice, super smooth. The blade, I like the shape of the blade, and it's really thick. I mean, sorry, sharp. And there you have it. This is in Amazon for $46.95, I believe.